If you no longer need your home address details on your Gmail account, then in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete or remove your home address details on your Gmail account. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. To do this, first go ahead and log into your Gmail account and then click on your profile icon up here. From here, go to manage your accounts. And on manage your account, you should see we have quite a number of details here about your account. Choose personal info. From this, now you can see your personal information details, and among them is home address. As you can see, my home address is here. I'll go ahead and click on it. And for my case, I've been using my location home address here, and the coordinates are here. So I'll wish to remove this, and to remove it, go ahead and just click on remove here, and the home address will be removed. So that's how you can delete or remove your home address on Gmail. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.